Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about IronX. So IronX is the first Cardano or ADA-based exchange. Just in case you're new to the channel, just to remind everybody that Bitcoin Cash is going to have a hard fork on November 15th. And make sure you transfer your Bitcoin Cash out of the wallet to Binance or Coinbase in order to claim the free money. So I talked about Bitcoin Cash a week ago. At the time, I don't think there's a lot of people talk about it. At the time, Bitcoin Cash was only 430, and then it spiked up to 600 after Binance and Coinbase announced the support for the hard fork. So if you follow my channel, you should not miss out the this run up. Also, I just want to remind one thing. I talked about Cardano project for earlier on. You can check out my previous video. They also talk about Cardano is a Japanese Ethereum. There's a reason why they say that, and I'll get into that. Another thing I want to talk about is the gold. The price of gold after the implementation of the ETF is so. I talk about that in another video. So here is the price of gold, and this is the price of Bitcoin. So they look very identical. So after the introduction of the gold ETF, the gold price has been spiked up. But there are a lot of more reasons than just the ETF. There's a lot into that. You can go back to this video and check it out. Also, EOS is having an airdrop, December 20th airdrop, December 1st snapshot. And also EOSBET, you can claim a dividends. You can check it out. If you're interested, you can also click the link below as well. ZKS having an airdrop as well. You have to log in with your Scatter wallet and claim and redeem your ZKS here. So you can check it out as well. And BetDice is having a lucky draw every day. So you log in with your Scatter wallet and just lucky draw. And this is basically free EOS. So just take advantage of that. Just do a lucky draw every day. Also, payout. They make sure you claim your payout once in a while. And you can also stake your token to earn additional rewards. So you can check it out. If you're interested, you can click my link below. That will help out my channel as well. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, hard fork, giveaway, token swap, or ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So let's get into it. So IronX, so basically is a Cardano, the first Cardano-based exchange, and currently they're having a public sale right now. And this project is supported by the IronFX as well as Emurgo. So IronFX, they established in 2010. So this is the IronFX platform right now. They already have 1.2 million customer, and then you can trade forex, spot metals, spots, indices, also commodities, futures, and shares as well. So they also have their own wallet. You can download and use it and all that. And so IronX have been in the industry for since 2010, and currently they have over 200 tradable instruments, and also they have over 180 countries in Europe, in Asia, Middle East, Africa, Latin America, and the group also authorized and regulated by 4 regulators. In UK is the Financial Conduct Authority, which is FCA, and in Australia is the Australia Security and Investment Commission, and South Africa is Financial Service Board in South Africa, and Cyprus is of course the Cyprus Security Exchange Commission. So this is a licensed trading platform basically. And another joint venture is with the Emurgo. So Emurgo is a very early Japanese investor in Cardano project. I think probably back in the 2015 or something, they invest in Cardano very, very early on. And that's why Cardano also called Japanese Ethereum. So So this IronX Exchange is basically they are licensed and properly regulated and all that, and also they hold a FIU license in Estonia as well. They're going to expand to other jurisdictions like Malta, and existing client base is 1.2 million existing clients. And also they plan to do fiat and crypto funding as well. So the visions from both teams, they want to create a crypto exchange that is created with the traditional trader in mind. So that's why they want to merge the best in the traditional trading from the IronFX as well as the best in crypto. So that's why they merge both entities to create a world-class crypto exchange. Another thing is the IronX Exchange. They intended to allow the client to use their existing IronX Exchange crypto accounts and cryptocurrency, and then they will migrate or move the position or exposure into the Forex IronFX group online trading platform. So maybe, I'm not sure how it works out. Maybe they're going to use the so maybe similar to, like, I think just like Binance, they have a BNB token. If you use the Binance token, you got the transaction fee like in a discount rate. So they probably want people to use their token to pay for the transaction fee and then get a discount, and then they stay in the ecosystem. And also because of they already established, like, since 2010, they already have experience in risk management, account management, and compliances as well. I mean, that is very important in this landscape in terms of those trading platform. So in terms of the token sale, currently this is called IRX, not IRS, IRX token sale, still in ERC20 utility token. So I'm not sure if they're going to migrate to Cardano. Probably they will after Shelly maybe launch next year. And the utility token, of course, is the fee they pay in the RX token. So this is similar to, as we mentioned earlier, BNB token, Binance token. You use the BNB token or IRX token to get a discount for the transactions that you make in the exchange. So if you are the holder for IRX token, you get discount in spread on traders, on trading products. Also, you got free IronFX card and then VIP account with no other requirement. And then you can have a free virtual practice server without any requirement, discount fees for portfolio management, and then you can upgrade introducing broker or affiliate, additional commissions for the introducing the broker affiliate, and then you can also open an IRX based currency trading account if you are the token holder. So they did a private sale already on June until August. They already raised about they already sold 67 million tokens, over 67 million tokens, at the price of 33 cents per token, and they raised about 22 million already. So now they're going to do a public sale. They're going to release over 82 million tokens. So the sale already started right now, and then the sales will end December 15. Minimum investment is $100, and acceptable currency is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Wire. Maybe they accept fiat currency. And number of tokens to be sold is over 82 million, and the price per token is 42 cents. So the hard cap is 15 million. So of course, because they are licensed and all that, you have to go through the KYC, and people from the US, Japan, Korea, or China cannot participate. So this is use of the proceed. 40% development, 35% operations, 15% marketing, 10% legal corporate requirement. I think it makes sense because sometimes you see people, you see the proceed, they use like a lot of them to marketing. It doesn't make sense. You should build a platform instead of using on marketing. And this is the distributions of the token. In terms of roadmap, they already gone through all this. they plan to launch the beta version next month, basically. So the beta version of IronX Exchange is going to be released next month. So here are the teams. So Marcos is the founder and chairman. So let's look at his profile quickly. So Marcos is the founder and chairman of the IronFX group in 2010. And he also founded Terra Capital, an investment firm. They focus on real estate. Also, he used to work for JP Morgan for Commerce Bank Securities in London. And his background is, his degree is in economics and also strategic marketing as well. So let's look at the next team member, Demetrius. So Demetrius is the CEO at IronX Exchange, and then previously IronFX is the COO for 5 years and 4 years as a senior banker in Eurobank, and director for 5 years for Eurobank, and VP for Citibank Global Investment Banking for 7 years. Background is in economics. The next up is the Stefanos. So he is the Chief Risk Officer at IronFX. IronFX for 8 years, so that's pretty long. And the previous just 2 years is the same company. Background in finance and mathematics. That's COO. And Lucia, she probably is the lawyer. Let's look at Lucia. So she is the Chief Legal and Compliance Officer for 6 years in IronFX. Previously, she was a lawyer in a law firm. Background, of course, she's a lawyer. Let's go back to the team. And so when you scroll down, do some marketing. I don't really care about marketing. So this guy is the CTO. Let's look at his profile quickly. So CTO, IronFX for 4 years. And this is just 1 year in LCB Bank. IT officer for some type of public works, cement public works. So for 11 years. Let's look at the other guy. Marios is the Chief Security Officer. So he is the head of security at IronFX for 6 years. And 1 year as a senior engineer and consultant for 3 years as a security system engineer. And also background is in electrical engineer and computer science. So this is good. Let's go. So here is sales. There's tons of sales from South Korea, Japan, Europe, Central Europe, Spain, and Latin America, Portugal, Brazil, Australia. Those are all sales. Russia, Scandinavian, Italy, Pakistan, India, Philippines, Middle East, and France. So for the advisory board, we have Kenji Sasaki. He is the co-founder of Cardano as well. So he's basically on different advisory board, this guy. Oh, he's also the advisor of Pondix. That's interesting, for 10 months. And Emurgo corporate officer for 2 years and 3 months. And he's the co-founder for Cardano, 3 years and 3 months. So they invest, I think this guy invests in Cardano very early on. So that's why it's a Japanese Ethereum. And we have Alex is the chief blockchain strategist. And also okay, let's see. So you have a corporate governance, and you have blockchain crypto advisor. Ty Cohen is a blockchain advisor, fintech advisor. He is also the co-founder of Surin Lab as well. And you have chief security advisor, chief security blockchain advisor. There's tons of people. And also I think they're trying to do some artificial intelligence like AI trading. So we have AI trading for 2 people are doing have on the advisory board. AI trading. This guy is high frequency trading advisor. And then we have a whole bunch of blockchain advisor. It seems like the team is pretty big and pretty strong too. I mean, it's not like they have just 1 or 2 years of experience. They have been in the industry for quite some time. And I think the team, the IT is pretty good, but in terms of blockchain in the team, that's not that. I think it's just probably rely on the advisory, it looks like. Because on the team, you have CTO, CSO, the Security Chief Executive Officer, and I don't see any blockchain people in here. But the advisory is a whole bunch of blockchain people. So, and also they are going to collab with the Emurgo. So Emurgo has tons of engineer over there too. So I'm not that worried. I think they also partner with Puma as well, Puma Pay. So Puma Pay, Puma Pay, they partner with Puma Pay as well. And Puma Pay actually is listed in one of the coin in CoinMarketCap. That's interesting. Oh wow, it's already break the market structure. It's ranking 212. I don't think I will get into it, but just FYI. One thing I need to point out is I think they have some issues early on. So in August 2015, Cyprus Security Exchange and Commission announced an investigation related to IronFX, and so they settled all the charges against the firm. They agreed to pay £335,000 in settlement, while imposing fines on Easy Trader, Interactive Options, and all that, ranging from £123,000 to £340,000. Also, IronFX officially informed the leading industry directories they have voluntarily left for regulations. So this will include Russia, they leave the market, Germany, Italy, New Zealand, and also they close offices in a number of countries, including China, Nigeria, and Russia. But the positive thing is IronFX entered into a $100 million agreement with the Middle East investor. It seems like they are cash rich with the Middle East investor. That is interesting. So Emurgo, is an earlier Japanese investor in Cardano project. Anyway, so let me know what you think about this IronX Exchange on Cardano. This is the first ADA or Cardano-based platform. I think in the long run, they're going to have ADA pair as well in the exchange. And the thing is, they already have 1.2 million Cayenne base in IronFX, so they may bring some traditional investor into the IronX exchange as well. So you don't know. So seems like this project is pretty solid because the team is not like 1 or 2 years experience or just a rookies and all that. It seems like they are well established in the industry. This is not a financial advice though. And as for the public sale, it's going live right now. If you're interested, you can you have to go through the KYC in order to buy the token. For me, I think I will wait a little bit. I will wait until the token released to the exchange. I'm not going to participate in the ICO at this time. Let me know what you think. The project seems pretty decent. Please comment below. Are you going to participate in the ICO or you're going to wait a little bit? Please comment below. I would like to hear from you. And what do you think about this IronX Cardano-based, the first Cardano-based exchange? This is pretty cool. And what do you think about Emurgo? So Emurgo, do you think they did a lot to the community as well? So I will talk about the Cardano Foundation probably in my next video. A lot of people have a lot of concern, but to me, I don't think it's a huge concern at this time. Please comment below. If you find this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, giveaway, token swap, or hard fork, or ICO. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. Make sure you comment, smash like, If you find helpful, that will help out my ranking in YouTube. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in ICO or cryptocurrency has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.